Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to group objects, how to make holes, how to flip an object and how to engrave alphabets and letters on top of an object. So let us begin. Let me drag a box as usual onto my work plane and let me adjust its dimension. Using the white node I will adjust dimension in two directions and let me increase its height. Now let me drag this cone onto my surface and again let me increase its height and let me also increase its dimensions in two directions. Let me drag this cone and make it intersect the box itself somewhere. Now if I go to the top view using my view cube, you can see some part of cone is missing which is not visible to us. It's okay. Now if I, using my left mouse click button, if I drag a square and engulf all the objects into that, you can see both of these objects are selected because a blue halo has appeared surrounding them. Now if I click on here this group option, you can see, let me click on home view to show you the exact thing. You can see here the cone and the box has become one. If I move box, the cone is also moving. So this is called grouping of objects. Now let me undo. Now again what I will do is I will ungroup them by pressing this option. Now I will click on the cone and click on here hole. Now you can see here. So what I simply did is I click on the cone and I click on this hole by opening my shape panel. Now if you go to top view and you observe, you will see it has become transparent, saying that portion of cone which is in contact can be removed. But in order to remove the point of intersection, what we have to do is again we have to select both of them and press on group. Now you see the portion of cone which was intersecting with the box on pressing grouping is gone. So what we did is we first selected the cone, then we make it a hole by going to shape. We had clicked on hole and then we group both the objects. So the first object which was converted into hole, portion of that part from the intersection portion will be removed. This is how we make holes. Now let me click this object and press on the hide button. So I have hide the box. Now we will make use of this as application. Let me drag a box here and let me quickly give it some dimensions. I will give it length equals to 80. Let me give it side also equal to 75 and let me increase the height to 70. So this is a box whose dimensions are 80 length. Let me increase this. Okay, so now what we will do is, we have seen if we click an object and click on hole, that object becomes a hole. Now here on basic shape, if you look here, there is a box hollow. So if I drag this hollow box onto my surface and let me make, what I want to do is I want to make a container. So in order to make container, what I have to do is I have to put this hollow box inside this box of the required shape I want to make hollow. So I want to make this portion as hollow with the help of intersection of objects. Now what I will do is I will increase its length and width as per the box. So it should be inside this red box. So this length is 100. While making hollow, always try to keep the length more than desired. I will keep it 110. I will tell you why. This is 110 and width of our box is 75. So we will give it 65. Let me give it 65 and the height will be equal to, I want to stay inside the box itself. So my maximum height allowed is 70. So I will keep it 60. Okay, press enter. Now what I will do is, you can see in front view, just click on front. If I drag this box inside, and I just want hole in front only, not in the back. Now you can see there is a little bit misalignment happening. So what we will do is, we will make use of align option. Let me click fit view. Let us observe the whole hollow box. So what I want to do is, I want to move my hollow box little bit upwards. At the same time, I want to ensure that from both sides it is not aligned. So what we do is, we select both the objects, click on align. Now let me click it here, and also we will click here. Let me undo it because I don't want my box to go back. I want the back portion to be close. So if using my right click of mouse, I see what is this. So you can see this is the hollow box dimension till which it will be hollow. Let me press shift on the keyboard and drag it linearly. Let me first select this and then I press OK. Wait a minute. I click outside the surface. Now I click the hollow box. Let me go to my top view. And press shift on the keyboard. Now I can drag it inside and I can see what is happening. I don't want back portion to cut, so I will just keep it inside such that this. Now you see this is in complete alignment. Let me go to home view and show you the front view also. This is what it looks like. From bottom and up, from left and right, equal distance is there. This was using alignment. Now what we do is, we select both of them and we press on grouping. So this option Ctrl+G also you can press, or you directly press on group. Now here you have a perfect container. You see this shape. From back we didn't want to have cut, but from front we have a cut. Now let me transform this box into a bird's nest. Now in this container which we have made, in order to transform into a bird nest, what I am thinking to do is, I will drag a roof from here and let me put this roof onto this. Since this dimension of our box was 100, right, I will give it the roof length dimension as 100 and let us keep with this only. What I will do is, I will press on this triangle to move it up Now you may think why I am telling you long way. There is a short way also using work plane, but we will cover it later. Let us use what we have learned so far. So as we know, the height of this outer cube was 70. So we will transform this into 70. Press enter. And now using your mouse keyboard, just press shift and left key to move it fast. So like you can see, it has come here. Now press forward key to drag it. We will see from top view if it fixes or not. Yes, it is fixing. So this is top view. Let us go to right view also. Is there any difference? We can see little, very minute difference is there. So I will press a back key on my keyboard. Looks good. Again go to top. Okay. Go to front. Cool. So this is how I place this roof on top of this box. If you want, you can adjust the dimensions of it. Just make it little bit kind of top of a hut shape. And let me drag a cylinder and raise it to height that is 70. And drag it onto the surface. Change the view. As we have learned how to make copy, let me click duplicate. Just aesthetic point of view, I am making a duplicate of this. Let me place it here. How it looks nice. Okay. Are these aligned? No. Let us select both the objects, go to align, click on this. Yeah, now these are aligned. So this is your normal bird rest using hollow and grouping. Now what we will do is we will group all of them. I will drag a selection using left mouse of click, select all of them, press on group. You see all the shapes have been selected and transformed into one single body. Now in order to make it multicolor, I have to go to solid, click on multicolor so that each of the initial object retain its color. So you have learned how to make hole, how to group objects. And also there was this option called as mirror. If you click this, it will ask you along which direction you want to mirror it. If I click this, you can see it is rotated. If I click this, it is flipped. So this is also called as flip, changing the portion right to left, left to right. If I click this, back portion has come in front. So like this you can play around. I will leave it here. Now let me hide the object. I will go press either this button or press Ctrl+H. Let me hide it. Now what we will do is we will see how to make engrave section. So this is a box, give its dimension 30, give other dimension 50. Let me go to my top view. In top view, I will just little bit drag it and let me bring the text option here. Now what we will do is, we have seen the how to make hollow. Now this is a solid object, our box, and this text we want to engrave on the top of this surface. This time also we will do it without using work plane. So what is the height of this box? We have kept it 20. So we click on the text, we bring it up to the height of 20. Let us put it manually 20, and then we use the keyboard key arrows to bring it onto our box. Now let us go to the top view. In top view, let us go to home view. Yeah. Now if I double click on text, you can see here text box has come up. You can write whatever you want here. Let me write subscribe. Let me write it in capitals. Since it is, I will click this. Let me increase the length of the box. This side drag, this side drag, and I click on subscribe. I lower its height. You can see this. Now if I go into top, and let me just place it in the middle so it looks good, aesthetically good it is looking. Now if I transform this into whole, so before transforming into whole, let us little bit, I want to engrave this inside, so let me drag it little bit inside. Let us say -3. Now what I do is I transform it into whole. Now if I select the object as well as the text together and I press group, what will happen is, see what has happened. So you have a box which has engraved subscribe onto it. So this is how you make use of group holes, flip tool, mirror tool, all these things which we have covered. I hope you must have enjoyed in this video what we have taught. Just go around and practice more all these functions which we have told you, and please like our video, subscribe and press the bell icon to receive updates. Thank you.